In this video, you're going to learn full technical analysis with trade ideas on BTC, and we are starting right now. Firstly, a few words about our previous analysis. I remind to you how it played out, and after that, what we exactly can trade. Firstly, remember that on May 18, I told you such a stop loss hunt, liquidity grab would be a good place to take long. After that, on second day, this liquidity hunt happened as we planned, and I expected at least rehype on BTC. And at this moment, as you can see, price were really close to make new high, but they failed. What exactly we can trade right now? Okay, let's do. Before, friends, remind to you to subscribe to our Telegram and Discord below this video. There would be first link to be updated and get notification when I publish new videos. About current situation, let me show to you bigger picture. As always start analysis with bigger picture. Firstly, BTC, as you can see at this moment, globally, this trend, pay attention, this trend is going down. In normal cases, when you open trades, you must follow the trend. That's a golden rule of trading. Better to follow the trend. Why? Because in most cases, trend will continue. And when you follow the trend, you have better chances to make money. That's why what would be really wise to do? For us, would be wise to do in a case of some traps, some liquidity hunts, some big sales to take short. Why at this moment I tell about short, not about long? Because once more remind to you about those trade on third day that I told about BTC after this massive liquidity hunt. As you can see, I sent it to our community members. By the way, you can be part of our community where I share my trades, trading plans. You open account by our partner exchange. Link will be in description, and you get access for free. Read all details. Once more, it was massive stop loss hunt on third day, from which price did this beautiful rise. And honestly, as I told you, I thought price would do much bigger rise, at least to make new higher highs, and they failed to do it. What this means? It means it's signal of weakness. It shows to us that market is not powerful enough to reverse the trend. What we exactly can trade at this moment? Firstly, as I told you, any stuff like happened here, such massive negative delta, the same we can do if there would be super positive delta. Positive delta absorption, it would be first signal to take short. At this moment, there is none of them, because at this moment, as you can see, price exactly in the middle of this local value area. What that means? It means better to do nothing, because in the middle value area, you have no good chances to make money. What I will trade, my scenarios. First, any liquidity grabs with massive delta would be a good signal to take scalping trade. My priority will be this one. If price makes some fake re-high, and that would be like this one, just opposite direction, I would take short to continue trend. Also, if price of BTC continues squeezing down, there could be potential breakdown, like it was, for example, this one. Why I think so? Because check this one. As I told you, this trend go on, and there is no reasons at this moment why the trend must stop. I don't see reasons. Plus, have a look before how price also were in a beautiful range, how it continues the trend. The same here. Price were in a range, how they after that continues the trend. In most cases, trend always will continue, as you can see, only after breakdown. At this moment, I don't see structure breakdowns. It's why better to follow. That's it. Summary, my friend. In a case of bull trap, I take short. In a case of squeezing, I take short. Only if there would be a significant buy volume, nearly one of these levels, only in that case I will consider to take long. At this moment, I don't see it. That's why what you should do right now, once more, subscribe to us. Secondly, watch a lesson about such delta. Remember this stuff that shows to us where big liquidation happens. At this moment, you will see free lesson about that stuff. Learn and use it in the future to make money. Any questions, write in the comments. I personally will reply. Bye.